In this video, we'll look at real-world examples of how to use AI the right way to accelerate the web animation creation and how to talk to AI using implementation language instead of human language. So it gives us the exact result we want, not a vague one. Let's jump in. In this video, we want to recreate this animation. So let's take a screenshot and give it to Copilot, the AI in our editor, and say, as you see in screenshot, create this section with parallax scrolling, text list reveal from muted color to white, coming from right to left, and use GSAP. And he gave us the code. Let's keep this HTML, CSS, and JS code. And let's see how it looks. And look at this, a completely vague result. Even if we try to explain again using the same kind of language, the result won't be much better. Another wrong output as expected. And do you know why this happened? Because we are talking to AI using a human language, not implementation language. Now let's talk to AI the right way. AI is extremely literal, and it performs best when we clearly describe the starting state, the ending state, the trigger, the constraints, the tools used. So let's give it the starting HTML and CSS. In the HTML, we add our section, a flex wrapper, and decorative paragraph on the left. Then we add our list. Each list item will be animated and will contain a title and a title reveal layer placed on top for the text reveal animation. Now in CSS, we provide the starting styles. We use a dark theme. We make the wrapper flex and we style our elements. Here comes the important part. We give each leaf position relative because we'll place the title reveal absolutely on top of the title so it stacks perfectly. We set each title to muted color and the title reveal to white. Now the magic part. We clip each title reveal using clip path so it becomes like a tiny line on the left. Later we will draw it by expanding the clip path using percentages until it fully reveals the title. Then we set the starting state of staggered translate transform for each leaf. And now it's time to ask AI to create the animation using GSAP. If you look at my prompt, you will see that I gave AI initial CSS state, clip path, and the starting translate for the leads, and final CSS state, final clip path, and zero translate for our leads. and animation trigger, which scroll, library GSAP, and property list, which clip path plus transform. And here is the code AI give us. Before seeing the result, let's add some margin top to the section. So the animation starts when we scroll to it. And here we go. Here is the exact result we want. And now you have seen how prompting actually works in real world development workflow. If you enjoy this and want more real world dev workflows like this, don't forget to subscribe.